adhan, Baba.
Yes, Omar.
Dad, I want to pray.
MashaAllah, Omar. But did you make wudu?
Baba, what does wudu mean?
Come, let's do it together.
The first step is intention and saying Bismillah.
Baba, I did the intention.
Good. Now say?
Bismillah. Should I say it inside the bathroom?
No, my dear. Just say it here, in your...
The first step is to wash your hands 3 times.
Like this?
Yes, just like this.
Right hand first, 3 times. Between every finger and the wrist.
Between every finger, Baba.
Now the left hand, same thing. Wrist too, Omar, don't forget.
I know, Baba. Wrist too.
Rinse your mouth 3 times, then spit it out. Into the sink, not in your tummy.
Not in my tummy.
Now sniff water into your nose 3 times. Then blow it out into the sink.
It tickles, Baba.
Now wash your whole face 3 times. From your hair all the way to your chin.
My whole face, Baba.
Now wash your arms 3 times each.
Each.
From your fingers all the way to your elbow.
All the way, Baba.
Now the left arm, same thing. Fingers all the way to the elbow.
Both arms clean, Baba.
Wet your hands, then wipe your head. Back and forward, just once.
Like this, Baba?
Now wipe the inside of your ears. Index finger inside, thumb on the outside.
Inside and the outside, Baba.
Right foot first 3 times. Between the toes, the heel, and the ankle.
Between every toe, Baba.
One more, Omar, the other foot.
Yeah.
Between the toes, heel, ankle.
All clean, Baba. All done.
Repeat after me, Omar. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له.
وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
Well done, حبيبي.
I learned wudu, Baba. You can learn too.
Visit QuranBookOnline.com.